Hi, hello, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Today we are going to continue with the topic root, monocot root this time. So the anatomy is similar to that of dicot root, but there are few differences. By anatomy which is similar, I mean that the epidermis, the cortex, the endodermis being the lowermost layer of the cortex, and pericycle, vascular bundles, the pith, it's all the same here. But the vascular bundles, the xylem and phloem, the xylem, there is more than 6. Now this condition where there is more than 6 xylem bundles, that is called as polyarch. Okay, so that is an important point because there we do not have these many, but here we have like more than 6, which is represented by poly. Now the pith here is large and well developed, but in dicot root we had small and inconspicuous, that is not prominent, but here it is the opposite. Now what is the major difference would be with the secondary growth. Now primary growth is something that is basic and common to everything. Root, stem, leaf, everything has to have a primary growth because it's the basic, a foundation. But the secondary growth is something that has to do with the specialization or a materialization, and I'm talking in a very general sense of the word. Like you can understand that we need a foundation for the base of the house, but it is not necessary that you need to design the house in a particular manner all the time. Anybody can design their house the way they want. Somebody can be minimalistic, somebody might like extravagance. So that's how it works. And in monocot root, and the term monocot, it does not involve secondary growth. Okay, and I just like to include something important here, that is a xylem. It is of two types, protoxylem and metaxylem. When we say protoxylem, it means the one which came first, developed first. Meta is the one that came later. Now when we talk about roots, the condition of the xylem bundles is exact. Now what I mean by this is based on the position. This protoxylem, that is located at the periphery. So the protoxylem is at the periphery and the metaxylem is at the center. Okay, so now that kind of growth is called as centripetal. Okay, I hope you're understanding. The proto is at the periphery, but the meta is at the center. Okay, so it's like this. So now that is centripetal. Okay, so I hope you understood this topic. Let's meet again next time. Bye.